Hi, everybody. I wanted to share a quick tip with you. We have a Tolbert bookmarks bar, and everybody has this right below your web browser. This is called the browser right here. This bar right here is where we type in maybe a web address that we want to go to, or when we click on links, this link is in our browser. But right below our browser is our Tolbert Academy bookmarks bar. And you can find in here your IXL, vocabulary, RAS Kids, Brain Pop. Um, Discovery Ed will be going to Zern real soon. Additionally, you have Scholastic Web. Scholastic Web is where you find fast math. We take our phonics inventory through this link. Additionally, we will take our reading inventory through this link. And so this is our Tolbert Academy bookmarks bar. So sometimes when we're trying to get to a website quick, instead of coming to our classroom and going to our websites, we can find these really quick right here on our Tolbert Academy bookmarks bar. Just a quick tip. Hope it's helpful.